How to change resume photos in Canva. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This is one of the basic things that we can actually do with Canva. We can just go ahead and get a resume template and we are able to change the photos within it. And I will show you exactly how to do so in this video. So first we want to open up our canva.com, create a free account obviously, and then we can just go ahead and look for a resume to use here. You can find plenty of resumes to choose from here, and I'm just going to be using this one as an example. So I'm just going to choose this one and click on customize this design. Now obviously you can customize a lot when it comes to resumes here, including the photos. You can actually go ahead and add your own and change all sorts of elements in here. So how do we actually go ahead and replace this with a photo of our own? It's very simple. After you open up the editing part of this design, you want to basically click on this section here, which is the uploads on the left panel. And then from here, what you need to do is just click on the top option, which is upload files, which is just going to open up your computer for you, where you'll be able to select the media that you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and add any random image here, but you can obviously go ahead and upload your own photo for the sake of this. And you can just go ahead and click on add, and it should be added in the pile of images that you actually have in here. And actually I'm just going to be using this one instead. It doesn't really matter. And what you need to do after you actually upload the photo, you want to basically drag, hold it with left click, drag and drop it to where the actual photo is, and you'll be able to replace it. And you can actually just go ahead and adjust it to your liking. Now after that we have replaced the actual photo, so you can see now we can actually make it quite bigger, and if you want to zoom in you can also do so from the bottom here if you want. And yeah, you can just feel free to move it around however you like and adjust how it actually looks like. And also you can also change more stuff here if you want to, like crop and stuff. But you can just always change the photos in Canva by doing the same method. You just go to uploads, you just feel free to upload the photo that you would like. Let's just go ahead and upload blue right now. And again, if you want to replace it again, just feel free to drag and drop and then resize to your liking. Crop, do whatever you want really. And yeah, this is pretty much how to do so. And even some resumes could include multiple images in one resume, and you can feel free to change any of them the same exact way. You just go to uploads, drag and drop, and you're good to go. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.